Good day, guys, and welcome back to the weekly review. And right now we are looking at US30, and at the start of the week you can see we're heading up. We reached that on the market open. You can see we were in the resistance area and we're going up. We had our first touch, our second touch, our third touch. So when we hit this area right here, we're looking for a drawback up until this area, because we could see our first touch, our second touch. We're looking at the market coming here, and we can see that we had a first touch, a second touch, which gave us a double bottom. So we're looking at this area here as a strong reversal area, but the market did reach that area right there, and it reversed higher. Now when it came back here, came giving us that retest. We are now looking for buy setups up until this new resistance area, but because of the fundamentals of the interest rate that we had on Tuesday, we saw this big market drop. That's why it's always important to look at your fundamentals, because you will see that in Us30, in Ger40, Us100, and gold as well. They did have a sharp or bearish impulsive bearish movement upon this news alert. And once we close below here, we kept retesting this area again, kept retesting it, which confirmed that the strong resistance area, after multiple retests, came back down. The market shot back to our low, right? Came back for our low. Then when we are hitting our low, we know that this is a strong low, so now we are looking for buys. We saw the setup here, but we're now looking to buy, enter here, and looking to take our profit there. But you can see the market did come back to take us out of that trade or that analysis. But what you can see here is that the market is now forming this area right here as another resistance area before shooting back down. But since it's this close, we will not be really looking at that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for US30. Now looking at Ger40, right? You can see it's the start of the week. We again having those second touches, which we're now looking for buys, and we did hit our buy movement. And when we entered here, we saw that we had a first touch, a second touch, a third touch. Now we're looking for a sell setup, because we can now see this is a triple top, right? Triple top, which shows indicates a reversal. But now we did see that the market shot up, came back, and then upon news announcement it did come back, shut down again. And so this would be the perfect entry for us to end our sell movement, right? We entered that sell movement there and took our trade profits right there. You can see after that the market still was in that bearish channel after the news announcement. You can see that we're still in that bearish movement until the close of the week, right? You can see we're creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs until we come back. Right now we are at this strong support area, giving a retest, but you can see that the market is forming that resistance or small resistance area right there, which you could see the market coming back to this area, right? But that's gonna be it for Ger40. Looking at gold, we broke up at the start. We broke up, came back for a retest, and now we're looking for sells, and came back for that retest, which was confirming our strong buy movement, because you can see now the market did come back for a retest, break, a retest again. So now we are looking for buys. But then of course upon the news announcement, right, the fundamentals of it, that's always good to check your fundamentals. We had that sharp spike down, and you can see that still went down after the news announcement. And you can remember this yellow line, that was our weekly low, and it did come below that weekly low, and that strong support area closing below it and making it now a resistance area. You can see the market is coming back to retest that area before looking out for another potential sell movements. But yeah, that's gonna be it for gold. Looking at US100, you can see a market open. We were shooting up, we're looking upwards, right? We're still looking upwards, looking at that retest. We're going up, we're looking at our target, our weekly high as our target. But because of the news announcement again, we have that huge spike to the bottom, and you can see now we are looking to retest our weekly low, right? We had that huge spike. And you can see after it had cooled down, we didn't have a lot of movement, but you can see we are testing this strong support area. kept retesting, we're looking to come back this area right here, but we didn't have enough momentum, right? We didn't have that much momentum. As you can see, now we close below that support area, turning into resistance. Now we're looking for sell movements, but you just can see, if we were to look at this area right here, we're still below that bearish trend. We're still below that bearish trend, so we could see that a movement towards this area right here, right? You could see a movement towards this of this magnitude, right? Coming back to the test that globe before looking for buy setups. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the weekly review. Hopefully you like, share, subscribe, comment, and yeah, see you all guys in the weekly forecast. Peace.